Who doesn't love a really good love story? A couple now battling COVID together over at Banner Thunderbird. Their 64th wedding anniversary, it's tomorrow.
It's so good, this story. The family tells us the couple went several days without seeing each other until their daughter wrote an email to the nursing staff asking for a favor. Kim Powell has a story on how these two lovebirds were finally reunited.
To have and to hold. Alfred and Nancy Cortes met on a blind date in the 1950s. It was love at first sight. 64 years later, they can't stand to be apart.
And they hadn't seen each other in, I don't know, it was like 3 or 4 days.
The couple is in the COVID unit at Banner Thunderbird, fighting to keep their oxygen levels up.
And he asked to just walk by his wife's room. And little comments like that are what we pick up on as nurses to know what's important to this patient. And for him, it's his wife.
Their daughter, Sue Hodges, knew her parents needed to see each other. So she wrote an email that found its way to the chief of nursing, pleading to just let them hold hands.
We get letters, we get notifications a lot, but this one really stood out as an opportunity for us.
The nursing staff wanted to go above and beyond to make sure these lovebirds could reunite, really living up to this sign outside of the hospital.
So we looped in the providers, our physicians, the nurses, the respiratory therapists, really the entire interdisciplinary team to see, can we go above and beyond and make something special for them?
To love and to cherish. The two were reunited at last. Their rooms now next door to each other, and the staff even bought roses for Alfred to give to his wife.
When we provided him with the flowers and told him the story, one of his first comments to the nurse was, "Will you help me shave?"
Though the moment was fleeting, as Alfred was soon moved to the ICU, it meant everything to Nancy to just have the gift of time.
It was very comforting. She felt so much relief because she could see him and touch him and hold his hand.
In sickness and in health, Alfred is expected to get off the ventilator just in time to celebrate their anniversary.
And just made us all feel so much better because then we knew they were at least together.
Kim Powell for Arizona's Family.